guys, welcome to summerautoparts. This is Summer. Today's video, I want to tell a set of stories about my toolbox of my Defender. When I install my Defender, I use original direction plate, which to make the hole to fix my toolbox. And unfortunately, they use the round sticker and make the round position of the hole. So this is an extra hole in the middle of the direction plate. So this hole I kept around 2 years. It's made me very trouble. And last month I ordered the original parts from the Land Rover warehouse and to make it painting. Same as my car is eagle gray. So this which is finished the paintings, I will replacement for the round ones. I will show you how to replace it. So for most clients who order the jack unit toolbox from my side, they make the holes from the original car. We already have the stickers which to give the guide of the position, and you can also make order of the original parts from the Land Rover original parts. So this will be much better for you, have more choice. When you install the toolbox, you can use the practice one to replacement. You can put on the hole on the original parts, or you make the backup of the original parts. So today's video just to tell the stories, share my experience, and give you some guide of the installation of the toolbox in the future. So follow my videos and let's go see how to replace it and make it renew. Thank you so much for following my videos and continue for my installation.